All right, for the first time ever, the new and improved Brown Mamba. Oh shoot. FedEx time. Here we go. That's why I love getting a Mustang. Got all these cool freaking parts for cheap. These are like off eBay for $50. How cool this is. Look. It's so cool. I don't care about this paint, so don't worry about it. We're gonna get that fixed. All right. Let the mods begin. We have some new mods here for the new Edge, which is the two modifications that everybody in the Edge community said you gotta do these first things because they looked at the car. Of course, this is bone stock. And what everyone said was, fix those headlights and fix that grill. So we did. Went on eBay, put links in the description. eBay, got the headlights, went to American Muscle, got the Mach 1 grill. I got a Mach 1 chin spoiler coming, but that's not here yet. But I'm excited to see how this looks with these new modifications. So this is the before of how it looks. And these are so cool. They just come out with a couple of pins, a couple of screws, and you're good to go. All right, let's do one headlight first. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So basically, just to show you, there's a pin here that comes out. That's it. There's a pin there. Look at me. Once I never worked on my cars. I haven't set the bulbs in yet, but you can see already how cool that looks. So, put this last pin down and down there you go. Brand new taillight. I mean, headlight. This is so cool. Brand spanking new. Let's see what the lights look like. Looks like this one is out. Looks like that bulb is out, but we'll fix that. All right. All right, now we just gotta do the grill. The grill delete, actually, that came in. And that is this Mach 1 grill. It's actually really cool. If I can get it out of there. This is actually the old school pony. The 18 has a newer pony. The top ear is pushed back a little bit. But get a new pony in there and a new grill. Headlights are in. I think they look pretty good. Gotta get a new turn signal there, but we'll replace that bulb. This is what's cool about the AutoZone parking lot. You can do it right here. So. Take this and put this new side marker in. Shut that off. All right. What I'll do is take this out. Very simply. Pull these pins out like 4 times. Alright, so we're gonna squeeze that out. Add this in there. plug this plug in. We're good to go. All right, clip in. I'm gonna check if it works. All right, and we have light. All right, good. Looks good. You're probably wondering why I didn't go for, like, you know, those clear, like, lights. I wanted to look stock, a clean build, not too teenager. So anyways, that's that. New headlights are. I'm gonna do the grill next in the morning because it got too cold and dark. So it is the butt crack of dawn, about 6:30 in the morning, and been messing around with this grill. I would have recorded it, but it was too much, you know, demonetization that was gonna happen with the cursing. I didn't really curse, but anyhow, this had bad camera angles. But you remove these guys. Thanks to all the YouTubers who post videos on how to do this. It was like really helpful. They're clips just like this. You remove them, take the headlights out, and then the most annoying part is these 7mm bolts down at the bottom. But luckily the front bumper flexes. So say so long to this. What I'll do, by the way, is this is gonna go up on eBay. The front grill, we'll probably pull it for a penny. If you end up buying it, post it on your Instagram, tag me, and we'll add you to one of the videos. It's a stupid contest, but I'm trying to engage the audience. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean off all this rust, and we'll clean that all off, and then we'll put the grill lead in. Do I snap, or do I smash the camera, or I'm just gonna do a transition. Okay, so I just took some goof off, just cleaning off all of the dirt, over 16 years of dirt and grime. We'll probably eventually change this front bumper, but for now it's gonna do the trick. Look at that. Oh, that's gross. But I know goof off is harsh, but I just want to get it off, the dirt off. All right, comment below if I'm doing it wrong. All right, for the first time ever, the new and improved Brown Mamba. Dude, I feel like I just upped the value. Real talk. I'm not even kidding. I'll have to put up like a top of the pic. Well, this looks so good, dude. Holy cow, this car looks great. This is basically what you see before is $100. That's it. The car looks epic. Dude, this looks so good right now. Yo, real talk, I'm getting really much in love with this car. Whoa. This looks brand spanking new, y'all. You got the new headlights, looking epic, and then we have this new epic grill here. Look at that. Guys, it's so easy to do. I'd say 45 minutes, and that's everything. Man, let me show you what it looks like with the lights on. This looks so... Yo! You know what we should do? I got a crazy idea. We should put the 2018 rims on here. Just cause I put them for sale for like $400 or $500. No one cared for them. So let's get a Mach 1 look. Look at that. Man, maybe the fog lights need some love. Maybe a clear lens, but it looks brand spanking new. Again, this is link in description. If you want to join me, and if you want to get a new Edge and build it with me, you're welcome to. Link in description. This is a lot of fun, guys. I mean, the car looks, I think I upped the value, y'all. I mean, we bought it for $2. I could easily, just off of this, it's like redoing like the landscaping on a house you're trying to sell. I think I can sell it for $3,000 just cause of this new look with the headlights and the grill. And now I'm thinking, hey, let's be crazy. Because this is the Mach 1 grill. Again, I'm getting the Mach 1 lit later, but let's be crazy. Now, what if we put on the 2018 base rims on here just because I'm in the mood to mess around with this car. Having some fun here. And yes, we put the 2018 rim on the back. Has kind of a Mach 1 look, so fills up the wheel well a little bit better. But I tell you what, with those new wheels we're gonna put on and this new grill, it's looking delicious. All right, let me get the rest of these on. You can take a look. But yep, looks good. So we're putting the front tires on now. But one of the things I also wanted to show you guys was the importance of why we're putting these on, is because it's actually getting colder. It is November. So what we have is we're putting on these all seasons. Now, these are all seasons as well, and they're in pretty good shape, don't get me wrong. But what I'm noticing is you can see all the wear and tear. There's a pretty bad example here. I'll show you this. So that's got a lot of damage on it, and there's probably a lot of years of salt and winters. So, you know, putting this new rubber on, and one of the most important things you can do to any car is actually put new tires on it, especially an older car. So putting these new 2018 tires on there with the wheels, I think it's gonna really improve the ride quality. But I can't wait to show you guys. Let me stop vlogging and get back to work. All right, yeah, and we're keeping the wheel locks on here too, because this car will be a daily all over the place. Gotta protect my investment. Look at this angle too, guys. Like, this is in such great shape. There's a one ding on the side which are gonna get fixed, but again, just a really great new Edge in great shape. I even love the GT. Totally awesome. Totally awesome. Love it. Anyways, let's get back to work. If you can't tell, I'm just loving this. I love that we still keep the horsies. All seasons are important because we will drive this year round. All right, now we hand tighten everything. Let's get to the big boys. I think the torque spec is anywhere from 80 to 100 pounds compared to the 2018, which is about 150, I believe. Let me know the correct torque spec. I'm gonna do 100. I'm not sure. I can look online, but I'm doing this live. So let me know the torque spec that you guys get, or that you put on your new Edges, and we'll go from there. By the way, I'm holding a cell phone and doing this at the same time, but I'll torque these down properly. All right, put the cell phone down. No GoPros here. Right, is on. All right, let's drop this down and see how she looks. I'm liking it, guys. I'm really liking it. It's got a really modern look to it now, yo. Like, it looks legitimately like a modern, like, I know it's a 2002, but throwing these 2018 base rims on there looks like a little bit of a Mach 1. I keep saying it, but I'll show you guys. I'm in the top screen on Mach 1 right now, but anyways, we will, the car sits a little bit higher. Maybe we'll get some spacers eventually, but let's, these are great. Don't get me wrong. These torque thrusts are really nice rims, really attractive, but just like the way these look. Just my personal preference. All done with that cool little wheel turn. So far, 2018 Mustang base rims, brand new eBay headlights, and American Muscle Mach 1 Ford grill. That's what we did. I believe the value went up. All right, guys, that will do it for today's video. Just comment below if you think we upped the value. I would say we got for $2,000. I would sell over $4 right now, as she said.